Hello and welcome to this new video on how to use gift on TikTok. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the search bar of your PC that will be on the bottom taskbar. Click on the search bar and you just have to search for TikTok and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the TikTok interface will be open. Now you have to look in the left hand side. There is a live option in your left hand side. You just have to go and click on the live option. And in this interface, you will see people that are going live currently. So you can just click on the live that you want to see and the live will be opened and you will be able to see live comfortably. And in this bottom part, these are the gifts. So here are the gifts. You can buy the gift and you can send the gift to your favorite creator. So this is how you can use gift on TikTok, because gift is an show of appreciation towards the creator for making a good content or making a good live stream that is enjoyable for you to watch. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.